What up, Smart Rapper Gang? If you are a rapper, which I assume that you are, and you want to be signed, then this video is something very special for you. For more reasons than one. I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't do this, but I think that it's something you need to know. And it may change your opinion of me, which I don't like, but I think that the people who are smart, they'll get it, and you're not going to judge me. It's time for me to tell you. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a secret about me that I hope doesn't change what you think of me. But it'll also help you understand a lot more about everything. So let's talk about this real quick. Do you want a record deal? And this is a real question. Or do you at least want to develop enough where you're so good you know you could get a record deal? If you guys were around last year for Smart Rapper, I gave everybody a Christmas present last year. I gave every single person who watched my video, I gave them $27. Every person that watched last year. If you were around, you know that you got that for free from me. But if you weren't around then, you're here now and you're watching this, and you're gonna get something. So this is a super special video. Secrets and free stuff as a Christmas gift to you this year. Hanukkah, whatever you are, here's my gift to you. So pay very close attention, okay? I wanna give you a little bit of the vision of what I've been building Smart Rapper into. You may be a little bit surprised. You just know that I'm smart. You know that I'm strategic. You know that I have plans. I'm not just sitting here releasing videos. And it's about to benefit every single one of you. Any of you, every single one of you are about to benefit from this. So keep watching. You guys know, anybody watching my videos knows that over the last 6 months, 6+ months, really the entire time that Smart Rappers existed, it all accumulated and turned into the Rapper Shortcut, which is a week by week guide of exactly what to do as a music artist so you never get lost and confused like I was. It's you do this week, you do this in order that you just follow it. And then you're gonna see success. It's a shortcut to success, okay? That's why it's called the Rapper Shortcut. I'm actually gonna tell you a couple secrets, but here's one of the smaller secrets. Do you not realize what the Rapper Shortcut is? I am giving you every step to success. I'm developing every artist who is in the Rapper Shortcut, and they get a music manager. A music manager that I have to pay hourly out of my own pocket to help you. Just take that little gold nugget with you, because it's proof of what I'm about to tell you. Why would I assign you with a manager to help make sure that you develop, unless I have plans on developing artists to sign them? I've been in talks with record labels, so even if I don't sign you, I have relationships with a ton of labels, big name labels, to get people who go through this, a record deal. And I was just yesterday, talking to an A&R from Empire. I'm sure you know what Empire is. I texted him earlier today too. Like, I'm in talks with these A&Rs, okay? With the Empire guy, I'm just starting the conversation. He doesn't know, but I'm gonna talk to him about it, and he's gonna go, oh my God, this is genius, right? Just like all the other labels. The other A&Rs are like, this is genius. I'm like, yeah. Artists are gonna come in here who believe in themselves. I'm gonna have people helping them get through this process, so when they come out the other side of the Rapper Shortcut, they're so established, and they know what they're doing, and they're already making music so great, and they already have their brand together. They are ready to sign. What did I tell you guys? What the Rapper Shortcut is, you're a package. You're a finished package by the time you're done. That's for yourself or to go sign to a label. You'll be label ready when you're done. That's the point. The Rapper Shortcut is an accelerator for music artists to help them get to their dreams faster. So the secret, and this isn't the last secret I'm gonna share, but this is one where I don't want you to judge me. And that is, I'm kind of using you with the Rapper Shortcut. And I think you're gonna get that from this video, you're gonna understand, but I'm just being transparent with you because I'm helping you get to your dreams. And by helping you get to your dreams, I get to get to my dreams. And that dream is to have the biggest, the number one, and I can show you inside of my vision binder, I can show you inside of my daily things I've been reading for years. One of my biggest goals is to have the biggest, it actually says top 3, but I would like to have the biggest independent music label in the world with the best artist. It's a real goal I have. And I'm using you to do that, but I'm helping you to be able to do that. And I don't want you to judge me for that because, well, of course, I'm helping you. I'm gonna write it. It's a dream for a dream. I'll trade you. I want you to get to your dreams because if I help you get to your dreams, it helps me get to my dreams. But I have another one that's gonna surprise you. I'll tell you about in a minute. Look, I want this label to be full of the best. The best artists. But guess what? The reason why the Rapper Shortcut is so powerful is because, and the reason I give you a manager, is they're trained to help develop talent and also know what talent is. I get to handpick the best artist that I'm already developing, and I get to sign them first. Every music manager is also an A&R. They're sitting there helping you develop. That's also what A&Rs do. They help artists develop. I want to sign artists that believed in my knowledge and my wisdom. Because that means that I know that the person I'm signing, they actually have respect for me. And I'm able to sign artists from this that I know believes in themselves enough to have invested into it to better themselves. If you're really an artist, you invest into yourself to get those things. It's a standard. How much money do you spend on marketing? Well, then how serious are you? I was working 4 jobs to get money just to buy my microphone and my preamp. And then I worked more jobs. I got an entire job delivering bread just to save up for my first camera to be able to shoot my music videos. Like somebody who really wants it, they work and they invest in themselves and then they work on the craft. And I know that. So I know that if you go through the rapper shortcut, you were serious. Anybody who goes into this has the potential and the right mindset to actually be successful. And that's part of why I made it like this. It filters out the serious artist from the wannabe artist. It's really that simple. It really does. Do you believe in this? Do you believe in yourself? Well then do it. If you don't, well then just, you don't really want it. I need you to be good so I can sign you, so you can get a deal. I need you to be good. I need you to be amazing. I need it, okay? I want to blow up as many rappers as I can, 2020 and beyond. Why? Because it's proof. It becomes proof. This is why. I spent the last 5 years building Smart Rapper. The rapper shortcut works the way it works. What is it? It's proof. If you get a label deal because I trained you, if you blow up and become the next Tupac, the next Eminem, the next whatever you want to be because you went through the rapper shortcut, it's proof that the thing I spent the last 5 years of my life doing has actually impacted hip hop and that it is actually helping artists. None of the information is scattered anymore. It's all in order. If you make it, it helps me. If you are good enough to make it, I can sign you and it helps me. Why would I not want to help you guys? Do you see why I've released so many videos? Do you see why I want to help so much? I don't want you to judge me for that. Obviously, I'm helping you. I find so much happiness in making these videos and helping you and getting the messages that I get every single day of people saying that I've changed their life and that I've helped them. And I see that. And that's the type of stuff, I show that stuff to Sutton. And if you know, Sutton is my creative director. She cries when she reads those things. And I tear up, but you know what I'm saying? I love this and I love helping you guys. But I just want to be honest, and that's the secret, is me helping you. This has kind of been the goal, was to get to this point where I can prove to the world that Smart Rapper actually makes rappers the smartest rappers, the ones who make it. This is how you do it. It's what I've been building, and you can be the proof of that. I need you to be the proof of that. Please be the proof of it. Of course, I have a lot of artists. There's a bunch of artists right now that are popping off that have thanked me publicly. They're buzzing more music-wise because I've been focusing on this. I'm back in artist mode now in 2020. Thanking me as like 600,000 followers. Like, oh man, Rob, it's because Rob. Like, I know this is helping people, but it's different when there's 10 rappers at a time popping out and being superstars. That could be you. I need it to be you. And this is very important to me. Because this Smart Rapper is my baby. And now that you understand more, you should also understand why I'm even allowing people to beta test the rapper shortcut. Because the beta testers are giving me feedback to perfect it. Once it's perfected 100%, labels are gonna send their artists through the rapper shortcut. They're gonna sign an artist and they're gonna go through the training to get certified. Just like you get a certificate of completion when you complete the rapper shortcut, right? I'm gonna have labels go through this, but I need it to be exact. I need to prove that this works. It's proof of concept. That's why I need beta testers. And think about it. Why else would I be allowing you to buy something that's worth $50,000 worth of things and allow you to buy it for 1/100th of the price? This isn't the normal price. This is the beta tester price. That's what I've been trying to get across to you guys. It's not gonna be cheap when it's done. Labels are gonna pay me to put their people through it. And then I'm gonna get credit from all the label artists that go through it too. Don't forget about that. That's another one of the secrets, okay? I want to be, breathe Rob, the king of creating rappers, the person who changed history and made and helped thousands and thousands of the biggest artists for the next couple generations to get on. I'm basically, right, I'm like the next Jay-Z. I'm the white Jay-Z. I'm gonna be signing artists to my label, putting them on. I'm gonna be teaching them. I'm gonna take artists under my wing. I'm Jay-Z, I'm Dr. Dre, right? I'm putting on, I'm making it. Now, people who coming to the rapper shortcut and the artists that I signed, I take them under my wing. You get signed if you're good and you're working and we can see what you're doing. I'm the next Dre, I'm the next Dr. Dre. That's why I didn't want you to think differently of me. This has been my plan the whole time. Building this has been my plan to get to this point where I'm that guy. Because I'm shifting and changing hip hop forever. And there's no doubt about it with this. This is already gonna do it. It's already started, but I need you to help me prove it. I'm gonna help every single rapper who wants to make it, if they have the work ethic and they have the talent. It's that simple. And right now, it's your chance to be part of the rapper shortcut launching and be a part of hip hop history. You get that? This is crazy. This is unlike anything. You're never gonna be able to say this again. What I forgot to mention last time when I talked about the rapper shortcut was, if you're an artist, because you're a business, it's tax writable. You can write off the cost of you buying this on taxes because you needed it to do business. Therefore, it's a business expense. It's business training for you as an artist. Tax writable, 100%, by the way, as with anything you get from me. And I show you how to do all these things. Start your label, start your entity, get everything, write everything off on tax. I show you all this inside of the rapper shortcut. Again, my people are trained to show me the best, fastest developing artist. So I can sign artists, give them the resources I have, bring them on tour with me to open for me for Rob level tours as well as Smart Rapper tours that are happening, okay? You'll have an unlimited budget. If you have talent, I put money into you and it generates more money, then you put more money in. You'll have an unlimited budget if you get signed by me, because I'm not gonna sign anybody that I don't think is really like amazing is gonna do great. If you go through this and we pick you, you're set, bro. Because I'm not gonna pick you unless I know you're the one. But if I don't pick you, a label may want you, right? If I don't pick you, you'll still have enough knowledge to do your own thing as an independent artist and make a living from music if you have the work ethic and the talent. Period. That's what this is. It's undeniable. In order to ensure my success in finding artists that will become stars and superstars from this, I hired 5 new people to be able to take on more people into the beta test, because I need as many people in this spot. The more people that get into this, the higher the likelihood that one of you guys is the one with the work ethic and the talent to be a freaking superstar, man. So I hired all those people. You know how much money that cost me? That's how much I'm paying the managers a month. $14,400. If you don't know, I pay $24,000 a month in overhead for Smart Rapper to run it right now. People don't realize that. This isn't a YouTube channel. This is a freaking multi-million-dollar business I've been building. Think I'm just releasing fucking videos on YouTube? You're insane. People, oh, you both you doing YouTube? You're a YouTuber? Bitch, I'm an entrepreneur, bitch. I'm a motherfucking entrepreneur, bitch. This is what I do. It's not a YouTube channel. I'm not a fucking YouTuber. I'm a music artist that's gonna be a star, that is making superstars by educating them with the knowledge and all the pitfalls and the pain that I had to go through. This isn't a fucking YouTube channel. That's why you see how mad I get when I even think about it. This is a massive business that the music industry needs. It's gonna shift and change the entire hip hop industry and other industries based on music. Now think about this. I didn't go to college. Colleges rejected me. The only reason I could have even went is because my dad dying when I was young gave me a grant to be able to go to community college, but I didn't even get into community college. And now every person that works for me has a college degree just because it's fucking funny. Just because it's funny to me. 2 of the people have Ivy League degrees. That's top 10 schools in the United States. They're not cheap. They work for me because I knew that that investment was gonna help me build the Rapper Shortcut. And it did, and it's done now. I knew that investment was gonna get me where I am today. Now the deal for the Rapper Shortcut, that ended, all right? So what happened was we put people on a wait list. And right now the list is already at 2,400 people. That doesn't mean that every one of those people are gonna buy, but 2,400 people signed up to be on that wait list. And you know what that tells me? It tells me that all those people knew that they already freaking wanted it, and then they waited, they procrastinated, and they didn't take action. And then they're like, crap, I should've did it. I should've did it. You know what I'm saying? And they didn't do it. And then they join the wait list because they're like, oh crap, okay, next time that comes, I'm getting this. But you can't be one of those people who doesn't take action. How is your life gonna change if you're not doing things that are making changes in your life? If you keep doing the same thing, are you have any success right now? You want more success? You want anything? You want to move a foot forward at all instead of backwards or side to side like I did for years? Then you need to make a change. 2020 can be different. 2020 is a special number. And I know you feel that too, even if you don't feel the energy and stuff like that. 2020 is a very special number. I feel like it's everybody's year. I feel like the world's gonna change in a massive way. And we can all be part of that. The rappers who make it are gonna be the rappers who look at work and they do it, man. They just do the work, because it's all it takes. I don't have a college degree, because it's not about a college freaking degree. It's the fact that when I looked at something, I was like, I'm doing it. I take action every day. You just work, man. Just stop thinking and just do something with yourself. That's all it takes. And if you know the steps, because I give them to you, you're never confused. Just work. Just do what it takes. That's all it takes. If you know the steps, what's left? Just do it. No confusion. Just do it, man. Start doing like a Shia LaBeouf. I can see why you was like that in that video. Because it's not hard. And it's especially not hard now that the Rapper Shortcut exists. Because you don't have to ever stop. You just keep follow the yellow brick road. Just do what I show you how to do and you do it. And now I'm signing people? Now I'm getting people label deals? I've already got people signed, by the way, in case you didn't know that. Okay? Quit playing with me. So I know a lot of people regret not doing it. A lot of people regret. 2,400 people didn't do it on the wait list. They regretted seeing $50,000 worth of stuff. Then it was 1/100th of the price, man. They all regret it. The training for the first round of the Rapper Shortcut starts January 1st. So this is what I'm doing. Merry Christmas. Hire 5 new people that I have to spend almost $15,000 a month to pay to help you. I just want to get across how serious this is. I'm giving you one last chance. This is your only chance to get in on this as a beta tester, to be part of history, to get this for 1/100th of the price, because it's never gonna be this price again. I promise you, on my father's grave, you will never get this for this price again, my friend. I swear to God on everything. It's only this price right now because I need one of you to make it. I want all of you to make it. If you feel like you have what it takes to make it, you need to do this. For this price, you're a dumbass if you don't do this. I'm losing money on this. Do you get that? You're basically paying for the manager to help you be accountable for doing your work and moving forward. If you are not serious, do not waste my time and my money, because you're wasting my money if you get into this and you're not serious. Please don't waste my money. I've helped you get to this point though. Don't lie, okay? I'm helping you help yourself so that it helps me. I need you to do this, and you need to do this. And you should do it if you're serious, and this is your last chance to get it for dirt, an insane price. Insane, okay? Links below. Or go to rappershortcut.com/last-chance, because that's what it is, okay? I'm not trying to be rude or anything. I'm just like, I need you to understand what this is and what this is gonna do for the music industry and what it's gonna do for you and what it's gonna do for me. What it's gonna do for us. 2020 is a year. And again, don't forget, you can write this off on taxes. And once you're in the Rapper Shortcut, I show you how, okay? You're gonna be able to even start your own label. You can do it yourself. You try to sign yourself in the Rapper Shortcut. You will be signable if you have the work ethic by the time you're done with this. Click the link. Link's gonna be in the description, or rappershortcut.com/last-chance, okay? Only have a few days to do this. Click the link below and you're gonna see how many days you have left. Stupid. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.